Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, well, when you say that we filed to get this terminated, I'm not sure who we is. Are you talking about both people or more than one person in detention? Did you have an attorney do it? Because it doesn't take 4 years. I don't care where in the United States you are. If you're filing a motion to terminate and it has validity to it, it won't take 4 years. Okay, so it indicates to me that it is likely that something wasn't done properly or that there's not a bona fide basis to terminate. I don't know what your basis is. There's people who try to do it themselves and they don't procedurally do it right. And it's not the court's problem. It's not immigration's problem. It's the person who files it that has to do it properly. And if they do it improper and they don't do it properly, that's their problem. Okay? So you might be waiting for nothing. Right now, to be honest with you, I would retain an attorney. And if I were doing it, I would myself do what's necessary, get a copy of the court file, review it, see what's going on, see what's really going on, and determine what needs to be done. And then as far as the motion to terminate, I'd see if there's a valid basis. Like, for example, someone might be in detention and their father might be a U.S. citizen, and let's say they go, well, I'm a U.S. citizen too, so it doesn't matter, I committed this crime. Let's just file a motion. I'll file a motion to terminate that the court can't hold me because I'm a U.S. citizen. Well, while there may be validity to the fact that the person could be a U.S. citizen, it certainly is not automatic, and it certainly would need proof. Like in the example I'm given, that I just gave. Let's say that he never saw his father. Let's say that he was raised by his mother, and let's say his mother and father were not married. Well, there's no legitimation. 100% he's not going to derive citizenship from his father just because his father's a U.S. citizen. I'm just giving you an example. But in a case like that, the motion to terminate has no basis and, would certainly not be granted. There may be other avenues as well. There's other motions that can be done, motions to accelerate, things like that, or there may be motions to, get it put on administrative review or administrative hold, or prosecutorial discretion. There's all kinds of things. So by just sitting there and waiting year after year after year for something which may never have been filed properly in the first place, not a real good idea. I'd get an attorney to do what needs to be done. Okay?